how do we, like, exist, man?
Dude, it's like totally thanks to like transcription and translation, bro.
Dude, like, what? I was talking about, like, existence in the terms of, like, cosmic stuff, man.
Nah, dude. You know how like we're all made up of like proteins and stuff, man? So like our hair and muscles and stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Well, like those proteins gotta be made, right, man?
Yeah.
See, that's like where transcription and translation comes in, man.
But, like, what even is that, man?
What's like the transcription and stuff, man?
Yeah.
Well, dude, like, so basically transcription copies DNA with like that RNA stuff. And then like the translation takes the stuff from the RNA and like makes it into like proteins, man.
I'm still super confused, man.
Okay, here, dude. Maybe I can explain it better like this.
Dude.
You're gonna learn so much right now, man.
Dude, like, what are you doing, dude?
Trust me, dude. It's gonna be good.
Dude.
Look at what's coming out of the nucleus, destined for a ribosomal strand of mRNA. It's got the code, the information for the protein we'll be making today. The RNA message is organized into codas. That's a sequence of bases 3 that spell out one and only one amino acid, a genetic code that works universally. A codon has its match in an anticodon, 3 bases on tRNA's bottom side. tRNA's job is to bring amino acids to ribosomes so proteins can be synthesized. mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes plus amino acids make a protein-making machine. Read the codon, make a polypeptide, that's translation. Cells synthesize proteins. The small subunit of a ribosome binds with an mRNA's leading end and slides until it reaches start codon AUG, indicating where translation begins. A ribosome has 3 binding sites where tRNAs can bind. The A site's first piece, next, then E, and the E's got an exit sign. The first tRNA in this translation process binds to start codon and binding site P, and that tRNA carries that amino acid that goes by the name of methionine. And now, to finish this initiation, the ribosome needs to be made complete. The large subunit binds a small subunit. Now we're ready for translation to proceed. mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes plus amino acids make a protein-making machine. Read the codon, make a polypeptide, that's translation. Cells synthesize proteins. Now we're ready for the next step, elongation. An amino acid carried by a new tRNA with an anticodon matching with the second codon binds at the site called A. Then the ribosome carries out an enzymatic action binding these amino acids with a peptide bond, so a dipeptide hangs on the A site tRNA. Watch translation move along. Next, the ribosome shifts exactly 1 codon over in a move that we call translocation. So the A site's empty and the P site's loaded, and the first tRNA's in the E location. E site tRNA makes its exit, and the next tRNA fills a site called A, and the ribosome catalyzes away. In your cells, it happens every second, every day. And watch that polypeptide, see it get longer as each codon gets translated. Ribosomal robots read RNA instructions as proteins get created. mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes plus amino acids make a protein-making machine. Read the codon, make a polypeptide, that's translation. Cells synthesize proteins. Protein synthesis, translation. Protein synthesis, translation. Protein synthesis, translation. Protein synthesis, translation. We started with initiation, which was followed by part 2 of translation, elongation. Now it's time to finish synthesizing this protein with a finale called termination. When the ribosome gets to a stop codon, there's no tRNA anticodon that matches, so A site's bound by a release factor. The polypeptide detaches. tRNAs and P and E sites float away. Ribosome breaks apart, no longer one. The polypeptide folds into a functional protein. Translation is done. mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes plus amino acids make a protein-making machine. Read the codon, make a polypeptide, that's translation. Cells synthesize proteins. mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes plus amino acids make a protein making machine. Read the code, I'm making polypeptide. That translation. Cells synthesize proteins. Protein synthesis. Translation. 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 Protein synthesis. Translation.
Dude, I think I might be starting to get it.
Really, dude?
Yeah, man. Like, we're a construction as a result of all the proteins, man. And, like, all the proteins are made from the copying of DNA and stuff, man. What?
You, like, understand now, man. It's not some cosmic BS that explains everything. It's just like the science of transcription and translation, my Brahim.
Dude.
What?
Wanna go get some snacks, man, now?
Max. Let's go.
Dad.
Wanna be on our video, Dad?
Dude, I think I might be starting to get this, man.
Really, Dad?
Yeah, man. Like, a construction as...
God, you piece of...
Dude, I think I might be...
Go.
Dude, yeah.